Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3462 for the 2020 Topps Clearly Authentic Autographed Baseball Card. I want to thank everyone for getting the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, October 2nd, 2020. It's 11:12 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:12 p.m. Central Time, and 8:12 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Spa 8 spots, Lab Rub 2, Matt 1, John 1, Robberman 2, AZ 3. We have Money Monsters 4, Rob 1, AZCBR with 1 spot, Staple 3, CP 2, Beantown 1, C Walker with 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Spa's on top, C Walker on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and lucky number 7 has AZ on top and on the bottom. AZ Diamondbacks, Spa Braves, AZ Orioles, Money Monsters Red Sox, Spa Cubs, Staple White Sox, Spa Reds. Money with the Indians Rockies, Rob Tigers, Money Astros, Spa Royals, Staple Angels, CP with the Dodgers, Matt Marlins, John with the Brewers, AZ Twins, Lab Rub Mets and Yankees, CP Athletics, Robberman Phillies, C Walker Pirates, Spa Padres, Robberman Giants, Spa Mariners, Beantown Cardinals, Staple Rays, Spa Rangers, Blue Jays, and last but not least, AZ with the Washington Nationals. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Yeah, those lumber prices are going up. We have Anthony K. Toronto Blue Jays rookie auto. Nice, congrats. Whoever has the Toronto Blue Jays. Anthony K. Here's the back. Toronto Blue Jays going to Spa 1999. Congrats on break 3462 for the 2020 Topps Clearly Authentic Autographed Baseball Card. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you very soon. And up next, we have breaks 3450 and 3486. Thanks.